Punjabi.
Ako si Mayuri Parate, second year medical student of the Wow Medical School Foundation, ma'am. I'm in charge of taking your comprehensive health history. The purpose of this examination is to provide you better treatment and good advice for your treatment. The conversation between us, in that time, I might ask you some sensitive questions which will be totally confidential, so you don't have to worry about that, ma'am. Is that okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Unsa imong pangalan, ma'am?
Vaishnavi Deshmukh.
Okay. Pila imong edad, ma'am?
20.
Okay. Asa ka anak puyo?
Asanto.
Okay. Minyo na baka, ma'am?
Single.
Okay. Unsa imong religion?
Hindu.
Okay. Unsa imong trabaho, ma'am?
Student.
Okay. May I know why you seek consultation today?
For regular checkup.
Okay, that's fine. Did you have any childhood illness like measles or mumps?
No.
No. Okay. Do you have any other medical illness like diabetes, hypertension, like that?
No.
No. Okay. And were you hospitalized recently?
No.
No. Or undergone any surgeries like?
No.
No. Okay. Now I will be asking you some sensitive questions, ma'am. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. Are your menses regular, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. What was first day of your last menses, ma'am?
Last week Monday.
Okay. Now since your civil status is single, I would ask you that are you sexually active, ma'am?
No.
No. Okay. How many pads do you use per day?
Per day 2 pence.
2 pads. That's fine. And do you feel depressed sometimes or any mood swings like?
No.
Nothing? Okay. Did you take any vaccines recently?
No.
No. Any screening test?
No.
No. Okay. About your family, ma'am, do you have any hereditary disease like elevated cholesterol, hypertension, diabetes, or what do we say, coronary artery disease like that, or thyroid in your family?
No.
No. Okay. Any cancer suffering person in your family member?
No.
No. Or genetically transmitted disease, ma'am?
No.
No. Okay. Now I would want to know your diet. What does it comprise of?
My diet is egg, rice, chicken, milk. That's it.
And that's perfect, ma'am. Okay. And how many hours of sleep do you take?
7 hours.
Okay. Do you exercise daily, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. How long do you exercise daily?
Just half an hour.
Just half an hour. Okay. Do you smoke?
No.
No. Do you consume alcohol?
No.
No. Okay. Do you take any other alternative healthcare practices?
No.
No. Okay. Do you have any? What are your life interests or hobbies? What do you like to do?
Traveling.
Traveling. Okay. What is your source of support, ma'am?
Family.
Family. Family, basically parents, right?
Yeah, parents.
Okay. Okay. And now I would ask you questions on your body systems one by one. So please answer in yes or no, ma'am. Okay. Shall we proceed?
Sure.
Okay. Do you have headache or dizziness sometimes?
No.
No. Okay. Do you feel your eyes itchy or redness in your eyes?
No.
No. Okay. Do you have any issues in your hearing?
No.
No. Do you have runny nose?
No.
No. Okay. Do you feel itchy throat or sore throat?
No.
Sometimes. No. Okay. Do you have issue in breathing like?
No.
No. Any like tightness in the chest like that?
No.
No. Okay. And then about your digestive system, ma'am, do you feel constipated?
No.
No. Do you feel bloated
No.
or diarrhea? No. Okay. While urinating, do you feel burning sensation or pain?
No.
No. Okay. Any discharge from vagina?
No.
Okay. Do you have muscle pain or weakness? Do you feel it?
No.
No. Okay. So, ma'am, here I'm done taking your history. Now I will summarize you what I've understood. Okay, so you are Vaishnavi Deshmukh, 20 years old. You live in Asinto, and you don't have any childhood illness, neither any medical illness. You haven't. Your menses are totally regular, and you have no psychiatric illness. Your hereditary your family don't have any hereditary disease nor cancer, and there is no genetically transmitted disease also. Moreover, your diet is totally normal. You take enough of sleep, and you do not have any. You don't take any smoking or alcohol. Okay, and your body systems are totally fine. So from this I conclude that, mom, that your body is totally fine. There is no serious problem in your body. Even if you feel that something is unwell in your body, so please follow up next week. Any clarifications, ma'am?
No.
No? So here we done. Thank you for cooperation, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.